pandemic. The pandemic. The catastrophe and cataclysm. The principalities and powers.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion TV Market with another exciting, much interesting video again. Now, ODUMEJE said he is the COVID 2021 and 2025. That is what this guy said. Anyway, he was chilling out with some of the biggest boys from Port Harcourt, like some of the biggest Port Harcourt billionaire. I'm talking about Igbo billionaires. One, I keep saying it and I will always say it. Igbo Amaka, and the love these guys have for each other is something all of us should put our heads together and really understand. Anyway, I'll be sharing you the highlights here. Please, I want you guys to patronize Kalila Crypto Box. They are one of the best cryptocurrency traders you can ever find around Nigeria now. Kalila Crypto Box will guarantee you sure and safety, fast payments, and possibly affordable payments. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
COVID 21 and COVID 25. The pandemic. The pandemic. The catastrophe and cataclysm. The principalities and powers.
COVID-19 and COVID-25. COVID-15. Chico, we coming.
The war road, the battlefield each other will be better. The oil money, the instigation. This is the son of lion.
I beg, tell my enemies. Thank you. Oh, 5G. Tell them. My haters, please.
The enemies.
ODUMEJE is here.
2022.
Pressure. High pressure. Okay. What are you here? Again, hey, we're outside. I better be ready. We're here, okay? Thank you.
COVID 21 and COVID 25. The pandemic. The pandemic. The catastrophe and cataclysm. The principalities and powers.
COVID-19 and COVID-25.
COVID-15.
Jesus in the Igbo. Jesus in Adamu. Allah kudu silibe saladi. Allah basilibe silidi. Allah kudu desi. Anukuje Baba Jeku Anamasile Saga Anukizili Anamakuli Anasenemansa Ija ODUMEJE Maun ODUMEJE Agaba ODUMEJE Maun ODUMEJE Agaba ODUMEJE Maun ODUMEJE Agaba ODUMEJE Maun ODUMEJE Agaba Kana kurusu de desene Adesenema Daga sene kudu desi ODUMEJE Oya Jesus na tabo Jesus
I'm dying.
Wow. He's done, my dear. He's done. Twins. He's done. Okay.
No matter how poor this guy English might sound and how local he might look like and be acting, trust me, you will never want to hate ODUMEJE. He's a pastor, and yes, with everything he has been doing lately, it's publicly clear that he is just here for the fun, make his money, and live a wonderful life, and that's all. He's not taking the whole Christianity and religious thing too serious, and though sometimes he might not be saying some of the right things, but yes, you just have to love and understand that he's also human, and there are certain things he would do that people might not accept. Anyway, that Chico birthday was a hit. The birthday of the wife of Chico, yes, the CEO of Chico Group. He celebrated his birthday. ODUMEJE were there, and everybody, you saw how money flow and ran everywhere in the party. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to patronize Kalila Crypto Box, one of the best crypto traders you can ever find around now.